Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to make a logo for an architecture company. So the first thing we need to do here is press M on your keyboard to select the rectangle tool. Now press Alt and Shift while dragging the mouse just like that. Now press Alt and drag. Now do this for the width as well. Press Alt and click, drag just like that. Now press Ctrl C and Ctrl F to paste it in place. Copy it and paste it in place. Now select while holding Alt and Shift again, click and drag until there. Now remove the fill and select a white stroke. 1 point is enough. Now select the rectangle tool again by pressing M and drag, click and drag while pressing Alt and Shift. Alt and Shift again. Now press L on your keyboard, select the circle tool, just like that. Now copy the rectangle tool here, or this rectangle, drag it just like that. Now rotate it while pressing Shift on your keyboard, click on the side until you see this symbol and rotate it 45 degrees. Now select the line segment tool, press Shift to make it go in a straight line. Now Alt and click and drag again. And select both of them. Now press Alt and Shift again, click and drag. One more time, select the star tool, click on the canvas. It will show you this box. Now make the points 3 points. Keep the radius 1 and 2 as it is. Now click and drag it just like that. Click and drag, Alt and click, drag again, Alt, click and drag while holding the mouse, Alt, just like that. Now copy this circle as well. Now by pressing on the left arrow on your keyboard, drag it like that. Now select press Shift while clicking on these lines to select all of them at once. Now press Alt and click, drag That's it. Now, actually, let's remove the last line here. Shift, while pressing Shift, click on them. That's it. Now, Control C, copy it, and Control F to paste it in place. Now choose a yellow color and Control C, Control F on this one again. Now select an orange color. Now select the yellow one, right click and arrange send to back. Right click on this one again, arrange and send to back. So before we do anything else, select all of these. Actually move this away from the blueprint thing that I created. Now select all of it and press Ctrl G. Now drag the yellow and the orange rectangles to be behind the blueprint, just like this. Now select all of them, press Ctrl G. Now rotate them by hovering over this anchor point until you see this symbol. Click Alt and Shift. Actually, just press Shift, not Alt. No, actually don't press Shift, sorry about that. Just click and drag. Now resize it a bit by pressing Alt and Shift at the same time. Now it's time to start typing the name of the logo. First thing is we need to type an R letter. Select the type tool by pressing T, and now type R, and then select a font called Amiri. Make it bold. Press Ctrl to see this rectangle around the letter. Alt and Shift, drag, zoom out. Alt and Shift, by pressing Alt and Shift and dragging. Again, Alt while pressing Alt and Shift. Now press P on your keyboard, select the pen tool. Now select all of this area. Press V on your keyboard to select the selection tool and click on these rectangles while pressing Shift. Now press Shift and M on your keyboard to select the shape builder tool. Now click Alt until you see this minus symbol under your arrow, and now click and drag these parts just like that. Now click Alt and drag these parts as well, this part. Now let's do this again. Alt, drag, Alt and drag. Now press on these rectangles and click on ungroup. I want to adjust this one just a bit. Now to type in the actually let's select all of them, press Ctrl G and resize it to be this small. Now press T on your keyboard and type in visual. Actually, let's increase the size of the font a bit. See it? Now type in visualization and select the font here to be Bebas Neue. Click Ctrl and drag from this corner while pressing Alt and Shift. Select all of them, ungroup again, press on this one, and that's it. Now to select a color for this R, I went with a bluish color, just like that. And for visualization, select a grayish color, not entirely black color, just like that, and increase the size a bit, and that's it. I think we have our logo here. Move this one just like that. We want to make it as clean as possible. Press M on your keyboard. Actually, let's leave it at that. Just drag it to hide it. That's it. We have our logo. I'll see you in the next one.